Hi everybody, welcome to our monthly newsletter. So our past newsletters have been in written form, with specials, fun things like that, maybe announcements, but I thought maybe I'd start doing something a little different. I thought it'd be more special to connect with patients and future patients by actually posting a little video talking about different topics each month. This month I'm just introducing the idea, hoping you guys will like it. Again, it's an idea that I'm hoping to reach out in a different way, so you could kind of get a feel for who I am, my personality, that kind of thing. Now, most of you who are getting the newsletters have already met me, or you know me from having procedures in the past, being patients in the past. And again, this is I feel, a better way to connect to you. And also for the new patients who hopefully will join us, maybe some who haven't met me yet, who just went on the website, which I recommend you go on. We change it all the time. It's tampabayhair.com, or you can go on markoumedical.com. That's our general website, and of course you could click on the hair restoration. Now, some of the topics I'll be talking about monthly won't just be hair related. I think it'll be kind of beneficial to also talk about hot topics in medicine, like the flu that's been going around recently. So I'll try to make it a little more informative than just hair. So I'm hoping you guys will like it. I welcome all the feedback. So we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.